Most people know that vitamin D is essential for strong bones, a healthy immune system, and overall well-being. But what if I told you that 90% of people are actually taking it incorrectly? Whether you're not absorbing it properly or not getting the full benefits, you might be wasting your supplement without even realizing it. Here's how to fix it. First, timing matters. Many people take vitamin D at any random time of the day, but research shows that it is best absorbed when taken with a meal that contains healthy fats. Since vitamin D is fat-soluble, pairing it with foods like avocados, nuts, or olive oil can significantly boost its absorption. Next, dosage is key. Many people either take too little to see real benefits or take too much, risking toxicity. The recommended daily intake varies depending on age, location, and lifestyle, but for most adults, 1,000 to 2,000 IU per day is a safe and effective dose. If you're unsure, get a blood test to check your levels and adjust accordingly. Another common mistake is relying only on supplements while avoiding natural sources. Sun exposure is the best natural way to boost vitamin D levels, but most people either don't get enough sun or overuse sunscreen, which blocks vitamin D production. Spending just 15 to 30 minutes in the sun a few times a week without sunscreen can make a huge difference. Absorption issues are also a major problem. If you have conditions like celiac disease, Crohn's, or take certain medications, your body may struggle to absorb vitamin D properly. In these cases, taking a high-quality supplement in liquid or gel cap form may be more effective than tablets. Magnesium is often overlooked, but plays a crucial role in how vitamin D functions in the body. Without enough magnesium, vitamin D remains inactive and can't do its job properly. To ensure proper activation, include magnesium-rich foods in your diet like spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate, or consider a magnesium supplement. Another common mistake is assuming that one dose fits all year round. In the winter months, when sunlight exposure is lower, your body may need a higher intake of vitamin D. People who live in colder climates or spend most of their time indoors should consider increasing their dosage during the winter. Taking vitamin D incorrectly could mean missing out on its incredible benefits. By adjusting the timing, dosage, and pairing it with essential cofactors like magnesium and healthy fats, you can optimize absorption and truly support your health. Now that you know, take a moment to reevaluate how you take vitamin D and make these simple changes to get the most out of every dose.